3, 2, 1, go.
For my rice and peas, I'll be starting off with 2 cups of water, some scallion, some fresh thyme, some black beans, and fresh or canned coconut milk. This is some fresh coconut milk that I had already had, so I'll be utilizing that. And that would, I'd say, about almost 2 cups right there. I'm putting my 2 cups of water to boil in a pot. I will add about a half a teaspoon of salt to this pot. In addition to that, I will also be adding in some pimento seeds, about 5 of those. In this bowl, I have 3 cups of parboiled rice that I am going to rinse until my water runs clear to take out the starch and also to clean the rice. Now that my rice has come to a small boil, I will add in my pimento seeds, about 5 or 6 of those. I will begin to add in my fresh thyme. In addition, I will add in my scallion. Cut up, about 3 leaves of scallion cut up. Followed by my fresh coconut milk. I'm now adding in my black beans. I will stir this up. And I will let this come to a slight boil. And this will cook for about 20 minutes prior to me adding in my rice. My rice is now rinsed off clearly, so I will now add my 3 cups of rice to my pot. Remember, I let this pot simmer for about 20 minutes. Now that I've added my rice, I will also add an additional cup of water, boiled water, to this pot. And I will also add in a Scotch bonnet pepper. I am added in about a half a teaspoon of butter. My Scotch bonnet pepper whole. And I will let this cook for about 25 minutes. My heat is on, my stove is on 5. And here you go, here's my end result. My rice is nice and done. All right, so what I will do now is just take out my little sprigs of thyme and the cut up pieces of scallion. Remove those. And that's it. That's all, folks. We'll get it in. All right. There's my rice and peas.